Hey, I'm Kevin and welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. You guys tired of seeing turkey videos yet? I had planned on making a lot of these turkey videos before Thanksgiving, but as you know, life happens. I couldn't do it, so now I'm doing it after Thanksgiving. But turkey is great all year long. Like I said in my wings video, I'll buy extra and I'll cut them up and put them in the freezer. But before I get too far with all of that, putting them in the freezer, I've got a turkey breast. Now this is only like a 12 or 13 pound turkey. The breast is not huge. It's like a size of a large chicken breast. And I was gonna take the skin off of it, but the skin looks kind of thin, so I'm just gonna leave the skin on it. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smoke this turkey breast at 250 degrees in my Pit Boss Tailgater because there's only one breast. I'm gonna use Uncle Steve's again, but this time I want to put the thick meat on this turkey breast because I want that peppery flavor. I want that thick meat rub flavor on this turkey breast. And then we're gonna slice it up, and I'm probably just gonna use it for sandwiches. But let's get this going. So tonight what I'm gonna use as a binder is I'm gonna use some mayonnaise. And for you mayonnaise connoisseurs out there, it's nothing special. This is just Kraft mayonnaise. You're really not going to taste the mayonnaise, but I'm using it as a binder to hold on the thick meat. So let's get that applied right now. And what I'm going to do is just get this mayonnaise on here. I'm going to get a good little layer on here. Okay. I'm going to sprinkle some Uncle Steve's thick meat on there. Okay, now I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to do the other side. Okay, and now some more Uncle Steve's. Okay, and that's all we're going to do to this turkey breast. I am using the gourmet, Bear Mountain Gourmet pellets. They worked great with the wings the other night, so I'm going to keep using them. So let's get these in the tailgater. Okay, I'm just going to put the turkey right there in the center. You want to kind of bunch it up a little bit. And I am going to put a probe in here so I don't have to keep coming out here. Okay, I've got the probe in there. I'm going to bring it up to about 160 to 162. I'm going to pull it. The carryover heat will bring it up to 165. It'll keep it nice and moist. So I'm going to keep an eye on this in the house because it's cold out here, and I can use my Tenergy in the house on my phone, and when this is ready we'll come back out and get it. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, looks like it got up to 163. We're going to get this off, let it rest for about 10 minutes, and then we'll cut into it. Okay, that turkey's been sitting for about 10 minutes. Now let's get this cut up. Oh, look at that. That looks beautiful. Well, let me get this cut up for you. And look at this. This is just gorgeous. Can't wait to try it. Get the rest of this sliced up. Okay, looks good, doesn't it? Look at that. Oh my goodness, it is even steaming still a little bit. It's cold out here. I want to try this with the thick meat on it, Uncle Steve's thick meat. I'm going to be making sandwiches with this turkey this week. I love turkey sandwiches, are awesome. I'm going to take this little piece on the end. Look at that. It's got a lot of the thick meat seasoning on there. That was really good. It's as good as I suspected it would be. That seasoning worked great on the brisket that I made, and it tastes great on this turkey. I could have used the competition bird shake, but I wanted to try the thick meat just for that peppery goodness on that turkey. Man, that's good. Tender. It's not dry. Well, and I didn't brine this breast. Everybody brines their turkey. You can shoot some marinade in them. Just cook them at the right temp. I took it to 160. Actually, this got to 163, and I let it rest. The alarm went off inside. I was busy, and then I came out and it was 163. Let it rest 10 minutes. Cut it up. Still juicy. Still delicious. I can't wait to make sandwiches with it. So good. All right. Here's one of the slices. Look at that. So good. All right. There you go. Another turkey video. I'm telling you, it's just good stuff. Buy an extra one. Go out and get one if they're on sale. Cut it up. Separate the pieces. Freeze it. Eat some of it right away. Freeze it. And you get to enjoy turkey all year long. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, comment, share, you know, the whole 9 yards. Anyway, thank you so much. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you on the next video, assuming you'll come back. All right, we'll see you next time.